Hi friends, I'm Sophia from Expert Guidance Academy, and in this video we are going to learn 6 habits which will help you to speak English fluently. So first of all, I would like to say the first thing which you can do it to speak English fluently is start speaking English as much as possible. So when you make it a habit of speaking English every day, the more you use it, the more you learn. So start making habit of speaking English every day as much as possible. Try to create an atmosphere where you will be using English a lot. Then second point is start speaking English with your personal tutor. Like you can join our course in which you will get a chance to learn one-to-one sessions, and you can speak as much as you can speak and clear your doubts with your tutor. Third point is expose yourself to English every day. Create an atmosphere where you will speak English more. And then fourth use of it is like make the most of technology. Like there are so many learning apps with the help of which you can improve your speaking. So make use of that even, and use resources made for your level. Search for the resources for the material which will definitely help you to speak English fluently. And then don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself, set a goal that within 3 months or 6 months, I would be able to speak with confidence. So you must challenge yourself to improve your language. Then goes work on your pronunciation, my dear friends. So pronunciation plays a vital role when it comes to speaking English. So you must focus on your pronunciation. Try to read, listen a lot of words and how it is being pronounced. That habit is also very, very important for you to learn English. Learn whole phrases, not just the vocabulary, not just individual words. Learn whole phrases. That's really, really important. Learning vocabulary will not help you. You have to learn the entire thing. You have to learn the whole phrase. So that is, my dear friend, again, very, very, very important. Moving on to the next, work on your idioms. Idioms plays a vital role when it comes to language, especially to speak English fluently, because every day when you are using an idiom, it helps you to not only remember the idiom, also help you to be fluent and confident as well. You'll get a kind of confidence like, yes, I am improving. I can I'm able to make use of it. I can use this idiom. So that confidence you will get it only when you are able to use idioms. Idioms makes your sentence beautiful. It beautifies the sentence formation, my dear friends. And then don't focus too much on English grammar, my dear friends. So this is very, very important. Most of the students are stuck. They're not able to speak much. Why? Because they give importance to grammar. I believe, yes, grammar is equally important. But when it comes to habit, when you want to improve on something, make sure you're not too concerned about grammar. Just use, let the flow comes, and then you can utilize your grammar part. And in a day, last but not the least, I would like to say, in a day at least set 1 hour or 45 minutes in which you will only speak English. Make a habit, my dear friends. Have a small talk with your friend circle. Create a gang who loves to communicate and converse in English, so that at least for an hour you're able to speak with the person in English. That's really, really important. And every day, at least for 1 hour, speak on simple topics. Pick up a topic and try to communicate with your friends on that. Use the phrases, use idioms to communicate and correct each other. You can even practice in this way by communicating with your friends. And very importantly, regularity. Every day you need to do it. That consistency should be there when you are doing something. So with this note, I would like to finish this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.